Welcome back to my channel. We'll be working with Walmart sales data, and I was thinking that we never did in VBA some visualization, and I was thinking that maybe this is a good idea to make some line chart. And to make the line chart, as we remember, we have data with weekly bucket, and we'll focus about two columns, so the date and the sales amount. So let's start from the beginning of this macro. First of all, we're setting the variables. In our case, it will be three. WS as worksheet, we have usually this variable. Then the first time, I think that in our videos we use chart object. So the chart object, you can think about like the empty chart without any data inside, because after that we will put the data there, and range as a range to check how many data do we have in our data set. As the name of the sheet was sheet 1, we have still the same naming, so we're setting WS as this workbook, sheet 1. The range, we have data in B and C column, data which we would like to plot, so we're setting RNG as WS range, B1C, and then as usual WS cells count until the end, so the end XLUP and row. Next thing is something a little different, because we will start to create a new chart, and we'll create the new chart with the set chart object. So what we'll do now is to create the chart object, which is chart object and adding left. This is the parameters of our chart. We see left, width, top and height, and then we go to our range. So we are starting create and put information in our chart. So the chart object is source. Source will be RNG, so this information that we put already, and which type would like to create, because there is a sales would like to create the line chart. So the next chart type is X line. Then we would like to start adding some information, so the axis and title. First of all, has title, that's true, and the title of the text will be sales data over time. You can put whatever you want, because it's, I don't know, it can be set over weekly bucket that data set or whatever. It can be any of this option. Then we're creating the X axis, and there will be date, because we will put data there. So the same information has title, and axis title text is equal to date. Then we are going to Y axis, and then we are putting sales information. So already we create title and two axes. Then we are going to next information. So if there's anything that you would like to not have, like the move legend, you can put it here, no problem. Everything additional things you can put here. And the last thing I was thinking about is some trend, because we would like to see if our data have any trend, some seasonality or whatever. So I create the base trend line, and you can see it here. So with series collection and trend line add. So here we are adding the new trend line, and the type is linear, right? So this is very, very basic. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.